Summer's coming to an end, but these grilled lamb chops with chimichurri sauce will make it last just a little bit longer. I'm seasoning some lamb chops up with some salt, some pepper, and some Better Than Bouillon roasted beef base. As you can see, it's well loved. I'm running low. But I use this as a marinade for my meat to impart some big flavor without doing so much work. I also added some avocado oil. I'm mixing that all in so all that meat has all that goodness, and I'm letting it marinate for a few minutes. As for a chimichurri, I'm going to use some parsley, some cilantro, some shallots, and some garlic. I'm cutting it up a little bit just to help it out, but everything is going to be minced inside the food processor, which makes my life a little bit easier. I'm also adding red wine vinegar, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, and some olive oil. At the end, I can always add more olive oil if I need it to be looser, and that's the texture that I'm looking for. For the lamb chops, we're going to heat up a grill pan and sear them in a high heat oil. I'm using avocado oil here. I kept these on for about 3 minutes per side because I like to go for a medium cook. Then I'm adding in some butter, some whole cloves of garlic, and a sprig of rosemary to give it some oomph, basting that all over the lamb chops, and I like to rub the rosemary on it as well just to impart that flavor. This recipe is so quick and easy thanks to the Better Than Bouillon base. I didn't have to marinate it for long at all for those flavors to develop, and I'm eating so good tonight.